Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can add a custom background to use as your meeting background in your video calls on Google Meet really quickly. So let us get started. Now doing this is super beginner friendly. What you want to do guys is launch a new meeting or join a meeting, and here to change the default background and to add a custom background like a wallpaper, for example, or image in JPEG or PNG format. Simply what you want to do is click on that button here in the middle, hover your mouse over your display, and you will see that button here, backgrounds and effects. So click on it. That is going to open up that panel here on the right hand side. So you will see your default background here in the top right corner, and below a library of background that they feature in the Google Meet library. However guys, you may add also your custom background. To do that, simply click on that button here, add your own personalized background, and after that locate the image or the background or wallpaper on your device, upload it, wait for a brief moment so that the given background may be applied, and there you go. As you can see, now you're using a custom background like this, and that's all to it guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.